am Christine Horn.
Hi, I am Tina Ferguson.
And we are the creators of the Pilot Prep Kit.
Yes, the original de-stress solution for casting professionals.
Yes, why did we create this?
Well, it's pilot season, which is a frenzy. It gets super crazy.
Busy scripts nonstop.
All the time.
Too many actors.
Too many actors. You're up late. So we thought, why not help you de-stress, solve your problems? We're solution-driven actors.
Yeah, so there's a handful of lucky casting directors who are going to get our Pilot Prep Kit hand-delivered. But, you know, for those of you out there who we can't touch and who are not yet on our VIP list, we wanted to let you know what was inside so that maybe you can create your own. Or make it on our list next pilot season.
Might make it on our list next pilot season.
Maybe you will, maybe you won't.
We'll see.
Let's show you what's inside.
All right.
Ms. Ferguson, can you read this new script? It's a new pilot.
Offline.
Thank you. This audition is horrible. Who gave this?
Christine, we have an agent on the phone for you.
No, I can't. No more.
Just to pitch a client.
It's almost over. It's almost over.
Now that you know what's in your goodie bag in your Pilot Prep Kit, we hope that you will find a little time to relax and enjoy during this crazy pilot season.
Yeah, Kina and I are both working Hollywood actresses, so we know how crazy it can be for us as actors, running our auditions,
reading scripts.
Right, like you know, wouldn't you agree? Like a lot of actors, we don't take the time to think about really how hectic and crazy it really must be for you guys.
And we just wanted you to know that we appreciate what you're doing and that we recognize your hard work, and we thank you.
Yeah. So if you are one of the lucky officers to get the Pilot Prep Kit delivered to you, we sincerely hope that you use the elements inside and just take it with the love intended. And you can certainly find out more about the Prep Kit and Kina and I at pilotprepkit.com. Bye.
See you soon.